In this video, you'll learn how to add a payment method on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up a payment method for your transactions on the platform. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are on the home page, locate the wallet option in the top navigation bar. Click on wallet to open the wallet overview. This is where you can manage your funds and payment options. After accessing the wallet, look for the payment method section on the left side of the screen. This section contains all your existing payment methods. To add a new one, click on the Add Payment Method button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the payment methods page. Next, you will be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Options may include bank transfer, credit card, or other payment services. Choose bank transfer if that is your intended method, as it is commonly used for transactions on Binance. Once you've selected your payment method, you will need to fill in the required details, enter your bank name, account number, and account holder name. It is essential that the account holder name matches the name on your verified Binance account to avoid any issues. Take a moment to double check all entered information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. After entering your details, you will need to complete a security verification process. This may involve two-factor authentication or an email confirmation. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Once the verification is successful, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been saved. You've now successfully added a payment method on Binance. This method can be used for deposits or peer-to-peer transactions. Keep in mind that if you plan to make large transactions, you should check your available balance and any limits associated with your payment method to ensure a smooth experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.